So today we will see some examples on the lesson 8085 instruction set of 8085. Now in this case, see, we in board exam there will be a question like this: if the contents of accumulator of 8085 contains 45H, these are the contents of accumulator, means you have given the contents of accumulator, and if you have given the contents of resistor E, these are the 7BH, then what will be the content of accumulator after the execution of each following instructions independently? Means you have given the instructions, the instruction that we have seen already. So this is the first instruction. Then your second instruction, it is ADI C5H. Then you have the instruction third one, it is ANI 0BH. Okay, so see, you have given the contents of accumulator, then you have given the contents of resistor E, then you have to find out the contents of accumulator after the execution of these all instructions. So first of all, we'll see, we have the contents of accumulator, it is equal to 45. So first of all, you have to convert this number into binary. So it will come 0100 and it is 0101. Then the first instruction we are going to see, the first instruction, it is XRAE. So the meaning of XRAE, it is exclusively ORing the content of accumulator with the content of resistor E. So first of all, we'll see that we have the content of accumulator. This is 0100, then 0101, and you have given the content of resistor E. These are 0111, and you have the B. So B, it is nothing but the 11. So it will come 1 0 1 1. It is nothing but the 11. Okay, so we have to perform the XRAE, that is the exclusively OR with the contents of resistor E. So in case of this XRE, we have the truth table of XOR gate, that is 0 0, it will come 0 0 1 1 1 0 1, and then you have 1 1, it is 0. So we have to check this all condition here also. So it is 1 1 0 0 1, it is 1 1 0, again 1 0 1, it is again 1, here 1 1 0 0. So your respected answer, it is 0 0 1 1 1 1 1 0. So it will come, so it is nothing but the 3, and it is 13, that is E. Sorry, D. 3DH. So it is E, it is not D. Okay, so this is the first answer after the execution of this instruction. Now we'll see the second instruction, and the second instruction, it is nothing but the ADI. So it is second, it is ADI C5H. Okay, so when you have this instruction, first of all, what is the meaning of this instruction? Add the content immediate data with the content of accumulator. So here we are going to perform the addition in on the data of accumulator as well as the contents of immediate data, that is your C5. So we have given the contents of accumulator. So this is 0101 00, and it is 0101, and you have given the immediate data contents. These are 1 1 0 0, and it is 5 again 0 1 0 1. So perform the addition. it is 1 plus 1, here 0, again 1, again 1 plus 1 0, again here 1, so 0 0, here again 0, here 1, okay, so here again 0 and the carry is 1. So your answer it is 0 A H. So this is your final answer. Okay, so again the last instruction it is ANI 0BH. Now same we have to perform. First of all, you should know the meaning of ANI. What is the meaning of ANI? It is the logical instruction and is logical ANDing with the contents of register and the content of accumulator. So you have the content of accumulator, it is 0100 and 0101. Then 0000, again it is 1101. 1011. Okay, B means 11. So you have to perform the logical ANDing. So logical ANDing means what? You have to check the truth table of AND gate. So 1 1 it is 1 and all are the 0. Okay, so then your respective answer it is 0 1 H. So you have to perform these all answers up to this hexadecimal number. Up to the hexadecimal number you have to perform the all instructions. So this is some in exam you will be asked like this question also. Now we'll take one more example for here. So in case of that, we'll see the contents of accumulators are, we have given the content of accumulator. So accumulator content it is equal to 29H, and you have given the content of resistor B it is 47H, and you have to perform the instructions. Likewise, first instruction it is add B, second instruction it is CMA, and third instruction it is ORI 37H. Okay, so we'll see the first instruction. So it is a simple addition that you have to perform on the resistor B and your accumulator. So accumulator having the contents 0 0 0 1 0 9, it will come 1 0 0 1, and your contents of resistor B it is 0 1 0 0 and 0 1 1 1. So perform the addition. So it will come 0, here 0, 1 1 0, 1 1 0, 1 1 1 0. So this is your final answer 70H. Now we'll see the second one. Second is the CMA. So CMA stands for complement the content of accumulator. So we have the content of accumulator it is 0 0 1 0 and 1 0 0 1. So complement the content of this one means you have to convert 0 into 1. So it is 1 0 1, it is 0 1 1 0. Now the third one it is the ORA 37H. It is not ORA, it is ORI. So to perform this instruction, first of all we should know the meaning of this instruction. So the ORI it stands for ORing the contents of immediate data with the contents of accumulator. So you have given the content of accumulator it is 0 1 0 0 1 0 and this is 1 0 0 1, and 37 means 0 0 1 1 0 1 1 1. So ORing means what? You have to follow the truth table of OR gate. So 1 1 it will come 1, again 1 1 1, here again 1 1 0 0. So it will come 3FH. So this is your final answer. So keep in mind that you have to perform this such a kind of example also. So you have to solve this kind of example in exam also. So you have given the instructions, you have given the contents of accumulator and any resistor, and you have given the set of instructions. So too you should know what is the meaning of that instructions, means the what is the execution of that instruction after the after performing the instruction. So if you know these things, then you are able to perform such kind of examples.